Today I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft actuator solenoid valve on a Chevrolet Cruze 1.8 liter. This is going to be the intake side, which is back here by the intake. First you're going to remove the PCV hose to get it out your way. Pull it back out of the way. Then you're going to unplug it. It's got one bolt that holds it, just right there. If you don't have the Torx socket to get it, I'm using a 1/4 inch socket 6-point to get it to remove it. After removing the one bolt, the solenoid is ready to remove. You just pull it straight back. If it's a little stuck, you may have to use a screwdriver to pry it right there on the end of the plug. Move it straight back, and that is it. Just reverse your steps and everything should be just fine. This video helped you out any, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.